Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change WordPress background image of your site in WordPress Elementor. Now if you will find this guide useful, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And now let's go to the Elementor. You can access it through the pages, for example, and going with edit with Elementor. And when you will be on your website, all you have to do is go ahead to the bottom, settings, right there. And this will be posts or pages settings. And after that, you can go ahead to style. And right there, you will see background type. If you don't have an image, you just basically add it by clicking on classic, and you will have an option to choose an image. Basically, you just choose an image, select it, choose a resolution which fits you the best, either a full one or a different one. And also you can change here a position and so on and so forth. So that's basically it. After that, just don't forget to click update. And if this video was helpful, please subscribe to this channel, leave a like on this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.